Ceiling suspension transforms cluttered floors into usable space with overhead hanging storage solutions for small homes. Start by assessing ceiling type and load capacity to choose anchors and hardware rated for the weight you plan to suspend, and always locate joists or use toggle anchors for drywall or plaster to avoid pullouts. For plants, use macrame hangers hung from screw-in ceiling hooks or eye bolts set into a joist. Measure drop length so plants clear walkways and windows, and use saucers or drip trays to protect floors. Overhead nets work well for soft toys and linens. Mount them to multiple ceiling points so weight distributes evenly, and keep net openings oriented upward to prevent items falling out. Pulley-hooked hanging baskets let you raise and lower heavy items for access. Install a ceiling-mounted pulley block secured into a joist, and use a cleat on the wall to tie off the rope at a comfortable height. Hanging drying racks are best installed near windows or ventilation and should have corrosion-resistant hardware if used for wet items. Foldable designs can be lowered when needed and stowed up tight when not. For decorative suspended shelf systems, pick lightweight shelving materials and use multiple suspension points to reduce sway, and add soft bumpers or non-slip liners to prevent items shifting during movement. The three most common problems are choosing anchors that are too weak, which causes sagging or failure. So always match anchor type to ceiling material and exceed the expected load by at least 20%. Another issue is poor clearance planning, where hanging items obstruct doors or walking paths. Solve this by mapping out full drop zones and trimming hang heights for safe headroom. The third concern is moisture and soil dripping from plants, which stains or damages items below. Address this with drip trays, waterproof liners, or place plants over tile or protected surfaces and rotate plants outdoors for heavy watering. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors and find project ideas for smart ceiling storage and plant displays. We also host a discussion community so our users share installation tips, product recommendations, and before and after photos, while contractors can find homeowners seeking their services.